In this lecture, we are going to create some type of curves, some type of polygons especially, which is having equally sized edges like triangles, squares, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, likewise. So for this thing, we have a command that is polygon. You can get this command from here. Click on this flyout, click polygon. Now it is asking polygon, enter number of sides, how many sides you want. Now by default it is showing 6. Suppose I want to create a polygon which is having a side of 5. These are the total number of sides of the polygon. So I have put here 5, then press enter. Now it is asking polygon is specifies center of polygon. Suppose if you are clicking here, it will go into the next command, but it is showing edges. Suppose you have some length of the edges which you want to put. So if you want to put the length of the edges, then we will take this option, edge, and for this option we will type here E as short, then enter. Now it is asking polygon specify first end point of edges. Now it is asking about the first point of the length of the polygon. So I am clicking here. Now you can easily see that it is increasing the size according to the increment of the length of the edges, and all edges are of equal length. So now I can give the endpoint by clicking anywhere, or if we have some specific length, then I can give length also. Suppose next I am taking 5 again, number of length 5, click here. It is asking number of sides, again I am taking 5, press enter to confirm. Taking edge, option edge again. For this I am typing E as short key. Now it is asking first point, clicking first point on the screen. Now the second point I am giving some length at the root. So I am giving length of 5, less than 0. Then enter. Now this at the rate 5 is nothing but the relative distance from this first point. This distance is 5, and the angle which I am 0, which I am giving 0, this is the angle which is making from the horizontal. So this is 0. So like this you can draw easily a polygon with the help of the length. Again I am showing one more option. Again I am taking number of sides 5, clicking anywhere to specify the center of the polygon. Now again it is showing polygon enter an option. There 2 options are given: inscribed in circle, circumscribed about circle. What is that? For this thing I am showing 2 figures. These are 2 types of polygon. One is drawn with the help of this inscribed in circle, other one is drawn with the help of circumscribed about circle. In both the cases the radius of the circle is same. So you can easily see in this case the polygon has been drawn inside the circle, and in this case the polygon is outside of the circle, or you can say a circle is inscribed in the polygon. So how we will use these commands, we will see. Polygon enter option, inscribed and circumscribed. There are 2 short key for this thing. For this first option we can take I, and for this second option we can take C. By default it is having C as circumscribe, but I want to create a inscribe in circle, so I am taking short key as I. Press enter. Now polygon specify radius of circle. It is asking about the radius of circle in which you want to create your polygon. So I am putting here 5. That means the circle inscribed which this polygon is drawn is having the radius of 5 units. Now I am taking second option, again 5, enter, center. Now I am taking C as circumscribe about circle, then press enter. Again I am taking the radius 5. Now you can easily see the size. In both the cases I have taken radius of the circle 5, but the size of the polygon is different, and that is just because of two methods. Because in this method you have taken inscribe, and in this method you are taking circumscribe. So these are the methods to draw polygon.